What's going on, people? This is Shad Harris of the Rebel Society. This is my digital journal. And whatever episode number this is, I'm currently in Richmond, Virginia right now, shooting some content for one of my clients, getting a lot of videos, getting a lot of photos, a lot of visuals. We pretty much like stockpiling the visuals right now to last her for the next month or so. But something I kind of want to like to speak on real quick is like my disdain for shooting music videos, or not even shooting music videos. I really hate editing music videos. So a little bit of backstory I probably shot my first music video a couple months ago, or a couple years ago actually, back in like 2013, 14 sometime. And I was like, you know what, this really ain't for me. But then every blue moon I get the niche to like, not niche, but the itch to just go back out there and shoot something. So early this year in January, I got with my man Drive, like, you know what, I feel like shooting something. Let's put together a quick freestyle and, you know, just knock something out real quick. But then, like, that process was smooth. We did a couple other quick freestyle videos. Those were super smooth. But then I realized that I hate editing them because, especially when you got a full song, you got a treatment lined up, you gotta make sure these photos or these visuals match the concept and story that you have in your head. And I think that's where I kind of fuck up at. Like, I underestimate how much it goes into that, like, you know, getting props, getting outfits, getting different locations, make sure the story makes sense, make sure just the looks and everything you got makes sense. So I'm shooting my man's Fro video right now, where I've actually shot it, and actually tomorrow I have to go back and get with him and shoot some more stuff. Yeah, I can say it's hard, but I thought I got everything I needed, and then once I actually go to start editing, I realized that this story of these visuals don't make any sense whatsoever. So that makes me say, all right, well, tomorrow's gonna be my last day to get everything I need. So has anybody else faced the issue where you start shooting a music video, but nothing about it makes sense, or it doesn't tell the story that you originally thought you were gonna tell? Maybe it's just me. Maybe it's just me, like, not shooting everything I need to get, and like not shooting enough B-roll, not shooting enough cinematic shots, not getting enough close-up shots. Maybe, I don't know. But that's something I go through right now. So I just want to do a quick video like this, since I haven't done one in probably a couple weeks. Even though I had a lot of stuff going on, got some interns, trying to build a team up that's seemed like it's gonna be dope, but I gotta figure out how to manage them properly to make sure they get everything they need. So just a lot of stuff going in my head that I haven't really had time to just sit down and flesh out. I'm changing the name of my media network again, so I'll probably be releasing that out probably in the next couple of weeks. And just trying to build. Really just trying to build. So looking for a couple new clients since I had a couple spots open up. So yeah, just linking and building. That's all I do. But once again, you can find me everywhere, Shad Harris, as well as the Rebel Society XXV. A lot of weird people up here in Richmond. A lot of weird people up here in Richmond. But yeah, find me everywhere, Shad Harris of the Rebel Society. This is the Digital Journal, and